In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best mini metal lathes available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the mini metal lathes mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Precision Mini Lathe Machine for DIY Education. This mini lathe is perfect for students and DIYers, offering precise craftsmanship in wood, plastic, and soft metals. Built with durable metal components, it ensures accuracy and stability. The adjustable voltage supports global compatibility, while the accurate spindle jump allows fine detailing. Whether for educational purposes or personal projects, this lathe is a reliable and efficient tool. Now available at 44% off, making it an excellent investment for precision machining. Number 4, Enhanced Mini Metal Lathe for DIY Projects. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and model makers, this lathe features an all-metal construction for durability and stability. Its electroplated and anodized parts provide rust protection, while the high-quality transformer includes overcurrent protection. Square nuts enhance security and vibration resistance, ensuring smooth operation. Whether crafting intricate models or working on custom projects, this lathe offers precision and reliability at an affordable price. A must-have tool for anyone passionate about metalworking. Number 3, Hot-selling Hine Metal Lathe CK6140. The Hine CK6140 is a professional-grade metal lathe designed for precision engineering. With its robust construction and advanced features, it ensures high efficiency in metal processing. Ideal for industrial applications, this lathe provides excellent accuracy in smooth operation, making it a popular choice among machinists. Its user-friendly controls and reliable performance make it a valuable asset for workshops and factories. If you're looking for a powerful and precise lathe, this model is a solid investment. Number 2, High Precision Mini Metal Flatbed CNC Lathe CK6140. This high-precision CNC lathe is perfect for professional and industrial use. Available in multiple bed lengths, 550/750/1000, it delivers exceptional accuracy for complex metalworking tasks. Designed for efficiency and stability, it features advanced automation to enhance productivity. Its sturdy build and precision engineering make it suitable for workshops and manufacturing plants. Whether for small-scale production or custom machining, this CNC lathe offers excellent value for professionals seeking reliability and precision. Number 1, WM210 Mini Metal Lathe. Precision Power. The WM210 Mini Metal Lathe is a powerhouse designed for woodwork and metal engraving. Equipped with a 1100W motor, it offers robust performance with automatic tool control and infinite variability. Its telescopic sets with scales ensure high precision, making it ideal for standard qualified works. Whether for hobbyists or professionals, this lathe delivers exceptional accuracy and versatility. With a massive 52% discount, it's the perfect time to upgrade your workshop with this high-performance machine.